Okay, so here we're going to talk about the data type. So far, we are dealing with numbers in our program. Ayan. And meron tayong mga numbers doon sa ating Python programming. We have integers, floating point numbers, and complex numbers. They are categorized as numerical data types. Okay, numerical yung mga yon. We can use, para malaman natin kung ano yung data type nung data natin, we can use the function type. Okay, so kaya nito dito sa example na to, a is equal to 10.23. So gumamit tayo ng type function para malaman natin kung ano yung type ng variable na yan. So type and then the name of the variable. So sabi niya, class float. The type of this data is a float. Ang float kasi, pag sinabi natin floating point numbers, ito yung mga may decimal places. Ayan. Okay, so yun yung mga floating point numbers. Float are numbers with fractional or decimal values. Another data type is string. Okay, so strings. Strings are basically series of characters or text. We have already encountered them when we first used the printf, no? Ayan, so these are strings. S, this is a text. So string ito, this is also a string. And strings are enclosed. Remember this, strings are enclosed with quotation marks or single quotes. Kagaya nito. Quotation marks, single quote, single quote. Okay? So, we print SZ. Ayan, this is a string. The strings are awesome. Okay? Ayan, so print natin yung S and yung Z. Okay, so those are the data types. Okay? Ayan, so on our next video, we're going to talk about how to make our programs more interactive nung hindi lang tayo nagdi-display ng mga text at saka mga numbers, no. So gagawa tayo ng program that will accept input from the user.